Hey guys! In today's video, I've got a quick and handy tutorial for you. I'll be showing you how to delete a contact poster on your iPhone running iOS 17 or later. But before we dive in, make sure your iPhone is updated to at least iOS 17. Now, let's get started. First things first. Open up your contact application on your mobile device. Once you're there, click on Contacts, which you'll find right here. Now, if you're looking to delete a contact poster for your own personal contact, click on My Card right here. Once you're on your card, click on the contact photo and poster. After that, hit Edit button. Now, here's the magic step: swipe up on the contact poster you want to delete. As you do that, you'll see the bin option appear. Click on it, and confirmation message will appear. Click on the delete to confirm. It's that simple. Just swipe up on the one you want to delete, and you'll get the delete option. Once you're done, click on Done at the top right corner. And that's it. You have successfully deleted your contact poster on iPhone. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.